United head coach here, of course, they are in the training session in order to face their opponent in the Europa Conference League, and this one is just one among of the incredible player of the Westham United Football Club. He is just training here, and the only hope that remains on the side of Westham United is to beat their opponent, and for sure they just want to win the match, because that's the only thing that will just save the occupation of the head coach David Moyes, who is seemed to be under the rumor as if he will not do well in the Europa Conference League. Things will be good on the side, and things will be hard on the side, as the management, the club will just sack him. And fantastically here, it's Westham United is one among of the dangerous club in England. It's one among of the club which has a large number of talented players. If you have just seen this, of course they have been training here on the training session. They gear up later to face the football club at the Europa Conference League, and it's just the only hope for them to do well. A fantastic and impressive one. This means a lot, and of course David Moyes provides the whole program they are training this time, and of course he wants the positive that he wants a huge win against their opponent. And of course David Moyes is just incredible master of tactics, as he has the good records. He was just the head coach of the Manchester United Football Club. He was just teaching Manchester United, and of course it should be quite clear that in the last few days when he met with his former club, he punished them by 1 goal, and of course it was just incredible and a fantastic goal. David Moyes, one among of the fantastic and the incredible teacher in football, and this